Hey, 410, I got a live video gauge rolling there right now, so I'm trying to get old a watchmaker out there, but boy, so much hash and trash in it's hard to figure out who's who out there, Roger.
Kbar, hey, tell you put a hey, Kbar, what?
I hear you in there, watchmaker. Damn, I've been in here all day at you, all evening, from about 5 o'clock on. You got some conditions going on that sand pile. Your friend, Kbar, up here at 3,000 feet. Run this Yazoo radio and that little baby driver, a 300A, going up in. Everybody says, no, he ain't. But there it is. I got the bird split going up into my birdcage antenna, and Kbar got down.
I'll see you later, buddy. I know who that is. You said you'd let me talk. You know what, Animal J. You're really tough, man.
Yeah, I hear you down there hard for Kbar, but boy, you rough and tough in there. Let me get wide to the side again in the middle of the road. Ain't nobody but Kbar. 665 on this big hill in Maryland. Working this old broke down station on my baby driver. Got down.
Sounded good, buddy, on the birdcage. Watchmaker. Back here a little bit. And see if it moves away from Kentucky. You never know. Sometimes it will.
All right there, watchmaker. Yeah, you said you got that banjo in your ear down there? You take care, Kbar, your friend and Facebook friend up here on the big hill at 3,000 feet. And working that Dave made broadband to birdcage antenna, and Kbar got down.
No two ways about it. Watchmaker comes in. I'm gonna come on back. He's on back here. Go 10-7 for a little bit.